the dozer here. We got the heater on it, warming that motor up. This dozer come in from Seattle. It doesn't have pre-combustion heaters, glow plugs. And here's Tyler. I can't see you in the shadow, Tyler. You gotta go this way.
Into the sun this way here.
There we go. Here's Tyler. Wave, Tyler.
Hi, guys.
And then we've got the loader picking up the last bit of timber. We've got the trailer and the van over there. Jeremiah, there's Josh. There's the Conexes. And the Conexes are full of mining material and equipment, generators, you name it, we got it. We built these skids here in the yard for pulling these Conexes. Hey Wes, here's the leader of the pack. He's running Mighty Mo. There's Josh. He's running the excavator we haven't named yet. And Claw. He's running Claw.
I don't know if it's going to put any heat on for it.
We got the Brutus, the 988. She's carrying a tank, some timbers, and she has got about 20,000 pounds of scrap steel inside of her, carrying in the bucket. We got it strapped to the forks. And this is Mighty Mo. This cat's really good shape. You can see we've got both dozers got the ice cleats on them. When we get out on that river, we've got traction. You can see the ice cleats have been welded on both dozers. This is a cream of the Wes's equipment right here is this dozer here. And let's see what else we got here. The ambulance. This is the tool truck. And it's got a Army utility trailer full of stuff. And I think we've got about 8 or 9 vehicles going down the road. Here's another Army trailer that's got all the welders, the oxygen, acetylene. Here's a utility skid. It's got a rock fork on it, sorted metal tanks. Brutus will be pulling that. And the chained up vehicle there is going to be pulling the little camper. Some guys will be bunking in there. And we've got the van here. This will be hooked up behind Robin. We're ready to hook it up now. Should be pulling out of here in about an hour or so. They just finished loading up the sorted timber in this bucket. Looks like you got a load there, Steve. Yeah. And here's the front of the skids. You can see where we fabricated these hitches. And we welded all these things together. They pivot. This will get us over the mountain. Got them on both of them over here. And we'll take another video when we get out on the trail.